Welcome to Everyday Supermarket English.
Today, we will practice shopping in a small local store.
The phrases are simple, but very useful.
I want to buy dinner without feeling nervous.
Good. We will use slow and clear English.
Please teach me natural phrases for a supermarket.
You will hear questions, requests, and checkout phrases.
That sounds perfect for daily life.
Repeat the short phrases after us.
I will try to speak slowly and clearly.
Let us start at the entrance of the supermarket.
Okay, I am ready to go shopping.
Here is a basket near the entrance.
I will take one basket.
You can say, I need a basket.
I need a basket.
Good. The carts are over there.
Do we need a cart today?
Maybe not. We are only buying a few things.
Then a basket is enough.
Look at the signs above the aisles.
I can see vegetables, meat, and drinks.
Great. Let us start with vegetables.
Sure, I want something fresh and cheap.
These tomatoes look fresh.
How much are they per pack?
This pack is 298 yen.
That is not bad.
You can also say, this looks fresh.
This lettuce looks fresh, too.
Good sentence. Do you want apples or bananas?
Bananas are cheaper today.
Yes, and they are easy for breakfast.
Let us get one bunch of bananas.
Put them gently in the basket.
Okay, I do not want to bruise them.
Now we need milk.
I do not know where the milk is.
You can ask, excuse me, where is the milk?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Nice. A staff member may say, it is in aisle 3.
It is in aisle 3.
Aisle means the walkway between shelves.
Aisle 3. I will remember that.
Here is the dairy section.
I found the milk.
Check the date before you buy it.
Good idea. This one is good until Friday.
There are 2 kinds of yogurt here.
Which one is cheaper?
This one is cheaper, but that one is bigger.
So we should compare the price and size.
Exactly. You can say, this is a better deal.
This large yogurt is a better deal.
Look, this sticker says 30% off.
30% off sounds good.
It may expire soon, so check the date.
It expires tomorrow.
If we eat it tonight, it is fine.
Then let us buy the discounted one.
We need eggs, but the shelf looks empty.
Can I ask a staff member?
Yes. Say, do you have more eggs?
Excuse me, do you have more eggs?
Very natural. The staff may say, I will check.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
That is polite and useful.
They found one pack in the back.
Great. Please put it on top of the basket.
Because eggs are easy to break.
Exactly. Be careful with fragile items.
I will be careful.
Now we are at the ready-made food corner.
Everything smells really good.
This fried chicken is popular.
Can we take a small pack?
Yes. You can say, let us get a small pack.
Let us get a small pack of fried chicken.
There are also salad and rice balls.
Rice balls are easy for lunch tomorrow.
Good. Choose one with a clear label.
This one says salmon.
Do you like salmon?
Yes, I will buy one.
Let us choose drinks next.
I want something not too sweet.
You can say, I want unsweetened tea.
I want unsweetened tea.
Good. This bottle is on sale.
Let us get 2 bottles.
Now, do you want a snack?
Maybe something small and cheap.
These crackers are simple and not expensive.
That is good for a late night snack.
Remember this phrase. This is not too expensive.
This is not too expensive.
Now we are going to the checkout.
The line is not too long.
You can say, which line is faster?
Which line is faster?
This line looks faster.
Okay, let us wait here.
Some stores have self-checkout machines.
Can we use the self-checkout?
Yes. Scan each barcode slowly.
I scanned the milk and yogurt.
Place the items in the bagging area.
Okay, the machine accepted them.
The cashier may ask, do you need a bag?
Do you need a bag?
You can answer, yes, 1 bag, please.
Yes, 1 bag, please.
Or, you can say, no, I have my own bag.
No, I have my own bag.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Good. You can also say, can I pay by cash?
Can I pay by cash?
Do not forget your receipt.
Thank you. I will take the receipt.
Now let us pack the groceries.
What should I put in first?
Put the heavy items at the bottom.
So, the milk and drinks go first.
Exactly. Put the eggs on top.
I will put the bananas beside the eggs.
That is safe. The bag is not too heavy.
We bought dinner and breakfast.
Yes, and we used many useful phrases.
Shopping feels easier now.
Great job. Let us go home and cook dinner.
Sounds good. I am hungry now.
Let us review today's useful phrases.
I need a basket.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
It is in aisle 3.
This is a better deal.
Do you have more eggs?
I want unsweetened tea.
Which line is faster?
Yes. 1 bag, please.
I will pay by card.
Today, we practiced supermarket shopping English.
The phrases were simple and useful.
Use them when you buy food, drinks, or daily items.
I want to try them in a real store.
That is the best way to remember English.
Practice slowly and do not worry about mistakes.
Thank you for watching.
Please watch again and practice shadowing.
See you in the next daily English lesson.
See you next time.